Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abhishek Nagaraj from Binary Dentist Academy. Welcome to this video on the know-how of 3D printing, covering its concepts, applied aspects, material and machinery, and workflow. This is a joint video from Implant and Binary Dentist Academy. I hope you enjoyed this video to learn from our 10 years of experience in 3D printing and related technologies. In Binary Dentist Academy, we provide training of such advanced technologies, including the design and 3D printing of patient-specific implants. We also have a textbook on 3D printing in dentistry, featuring application-based resources for material selection, workflow optimization, and software parameters, along with step-by-step instructions for setting up successful 3D printing systems. The book also includes 200 plus clinical images and 100 plus successful references, offering complete authoritative learning. Coming on to the concepts of 3D printing. The most basic concept of 3D printing is to create a physical object by addition of horizontal layers in a step-by-step manner, which is vertically positioned. It differs from traditional mold-based manufacturing in factors such as requirement of a preformed mold and the complexity of designs. In mold-based manufacturing, we do not get to super complex designs as they are not easily achievable. In 3D printing, any complex design with internal features can be manufactured as it forms the object layer by layer. The remaining part of this video is available free on our website binarydentist.com, including key sections on the history of 3D printing, dentistry specific variants, design parameters, clinical requisites, and how to modify designs for successful 3D printing. You will also find detailed animated explanations of printing variants and post-processing factors essential for predictable, successful outcomes. Please use the links provided in the description to visit binarydentist.com, where you can watch the complete video and access the order link of your textbook. Thank you.